Welcome to eCampus.com. In this video, we'll guide you through accessing your digital course materials, including eBooks, access codes, and courseware from your eCampus.com digital bookshelf. Digital content can be delivered and accessed in several ways, depending upon the publisher. This video will show you how to initiate access through your digital bookshelf and where to go for additional resources. Let's dive in. Before exploring specific instructions on how to access your digital materials, it's important to understand the difference between eBooks and courseware. eBooks are standalone digital textbooks that you can access through platforms like VitalSource. Courseware includes interactive materials like quizzes, videos, or assignments, and often requires access through the publisher's platform or your school's LMS. Access codes can be for either type of material, so be sure to check with your instructor if you're unsure how to access your content. Start by signing in to your eCampus.com account and navigate to your digital bookshelf. This is your one-stop gateway to access your eBooks, courseware, and access codes. It's important to keep in mind that eCampus.com is the distributor for your materials, not the publisher. Publishers vary on how a customer accesses the digital content once it's purchased. Your eCampus.com digital bookshelf serves as a gateway to the platforms and publishers where your content actually resides. Examples of content platforms including VitalSource, Cengage, Pearson, McGraw Hill, or your school's learning management system, or LMS for short, like Canvas or Blackboard. Remember that an ebook is simply a digital version of the printed textbook. It will not contain additional dynamic content such as assignments or interactive courseware. For ebooks, locate your material on the digital bookshelf. For example, launching new ventures, an entrepreneurial approach, and select Click to Reveal. A mode will appear stating you're almost there and reminding you that this item is non-refundable once access information is revealed. Select Acknowledge and Accept, then choose Reveal My Access Info. Once you do this, a drawer will appear on the right side of your screen. Select Access, and a new window will open. Depending on your material, this may take you to a platform like VitalSource where you can read your ebook. On the VitalSource dashboard, a table of contents will appear on the left. From here, you can navigate to the chapters or sections you need. If you have specific questions regarding ebooks, please connect with us through the help desk. Locate your access code material. For example, Connect 1 Semester Online Access for Principles of Macroeconomics on your digital bookshelf and select Click to Reveal. This is an example of an access code from a publisher that uses VitalSource as the delivery platform. A mode will pop up stating you're almost there and reminding you that this item is non-refundable once access information is revealed. Select Acknowledge and Accept, then choose Reveal My Access Info. Once you do this, a drawer will appear on the right side of your screen. Select the Access button and a Terms of Use modal will pop up. Agree to the terms and select Continue. Next, a pop-up in the top right corner of the screen will indicate your materials include an access code. This pop-up will feature a highlighted instructions hyperlink. Select Instructions to open a modal where you can view your access code. If the pop-up disappears, click the back button in the top left corner of the screen. Under Recent Activity, locate your materials and select View Access Code. A modal will appear showing the VBID number to confirm you have the correct material. Select Copy to copy the access code. With the code copied, choose Go to Website to open a new window. Here's an important note. While the material might reference a specific publisher like McGraw Hill, this process often uses the VitalSource platform for actual content delivery. Follow the on-screen prompts after you select Access to redeem your code. We strongly recommend using the same school email address you used for your eCampus.com purchase to ensure a smooth process. If you encountered issues redeeming your access code or navigating a publisher's platform, don't worry. Most publishers, including Cengage, McGraw Hill, and Pearson, offer detailed instructions and customer support on their websites. Finally, remember to connect with your instructor for guidance on accessing materials through your LMS or publisher platforms. They'll provide the specific links and instructions you need to get started. Accessing your digital materials is easy with eCampus.com. For additional support, visit our help page or contact customer support. Good luck this semester, and thank you for choosing eCampus.com.